Here we have a network cable with a broken latch. It is also built with a snagless boot. To use an rjclip with one of these, you need to remove the snagless boot or slide it back. Most of these cables are built with snagless boots that are slide on. At the time of building these, to slide it on, crimp it. So when you slide it back, exposing the whole RJ45, you take an rjclip, you can put it on now. With that on, you can use it. Stays in place. Once on, the snagless boot becomes obsolete. The reason being, the rjclip is snagless. When you have it on the floor, you snag it, the thing will just pop out. So it will not break. And with that, when it pops out, just pop it back in and use it. Here we have a network cable with a broken latch. It also has an anti-snag overmold built to it. With these, you cannot slide them back. One good thing about these, they're all made of soft plastic. So with these, you remove these with a knife. Just a sharp knife, sharp cut. Cut these out. Once you get it cut, there's space for an rjclip. At this stage, you could use the network cable. Now, the loss of the anti-snag on overmold is not a big deal. The reason being, the rjclip is by its nature anti-snag. So you don't need an anti-snag overmold.